Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Yes, it's still a tutorial. Yes, I know you'll be like, oh, wow, what is Face doing? Is she not going to upload a tutorial session? Yes, I'm actually going to be uploading tutorial session, but I still want your opinions in the aspect of blocking. Yes, we've actually blocked this hat here in this channel. If you've not watched it, I'm going to be dropping the link at the description box below. So basically, if you've not seen this how to block it, I'll be dropping the link. And I've also noticed that the turn of blocking, it's actually the views are going up, and it dawned on me that it seems people don't really know how to block some modes. I mean, yes, block some modes. So or mode some blocks. Is it blocks of modes or modes of blocks? So whichever one it is, I felt maybe it's time for me to show more of how to mold some blocks. I think that mold some blocks is the best face but phrase rather. So basically, this one I have here is actually the one I used. I'm going to be raising it up, so don't bother. I don't want to keep tweeting because I don't really have the time for that now. So basically, this mold here, this block here, was actually the one that gave us this. And for your information, if you'd want this particular fascinator, it's still available. We can even make different colors, and also other fascinators you think you can't get hold of at your area, we can actually do and deliver through sendbox.ng. Yeah, they deliver. And if you want us to, they also partner with DHL, so whichever one we can get across to you. So don't bother, don't worry, we can reach out to you when you request for hats and fascinators. So basically, this mode was actually the one that gave us this, and I also have other ones, and I will be showing you guys, and I want your opinion. I'll be giving them names so that when you want to comment, you will say, okay, first say I vote for A, or first say I vote for B block, I vote for C block. The highest vote will be what will be showing. And I mean, it's not like I'm not going to be showing every single thing. I'll be showing every single one, but the highest it's going to be coming in based on the priorities you placed on them. So basically, the one that takes the highest votes will be the one who block first. Next will be the one that follows, and that's how we continue to finish blocks. So, but at intervals, we'll be putting in some of fascinators, how to make fascinators, so it doesn't get bored, or you feel like is it only blocking, let's do something else. So I'll be showing you guys what I have in stock, and I want you guys to vote. And also I'll be putting a voting pool up here. Right now it's going to be showing, so if you want to choose whichever one you want, let me know. So we'll be placing A, B, C, D, E. I think let's start with 5 modes or 5 blocks so we can know how to go about it. So 1 minute, one is this. Yes, this is a block. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it now? Yes, if you want us to teach you how to do this this one will be A. So you choose either this, you can see how it looks. So to teach you how to block this, choose A. So I'll be naming them as I proceed. This is A, and you see I'm not cheating actually, so I'm actually taking it. We've also done this, but if you still want us to do something like this, you choose B. But there's something similar to this. So if you want us to show something like this, choose B. And you can see this. If you want us to do something like this, hope you can see this. Yeah. choose C. Right now I'm going to be going lower. Okay, I guess this is very easy. This is easy, so we should keep it aside. Yeah, it's easy. Okay, wow. If you want us to teach you how to block this fascinator, yeah, choose A, B, C, D. Right? I'm I'm right. Okay, this is A. Mm? This is B, right? This is C. Can you see? This is C, and of course this is D. So if you want us to teach you how to block with this mode, this is D. So I'm going deeper. I think we've done something like this on this channel. I'll also be leaving the link down below. So if you've not seen how to block with this, I'm actually going to be dropping the link down below. So please check it out. I think this is similar to the C. So if you can get this, except if you want this in particular, you can see the shape is different but it's similar. This is up, this is down. So if you want either of them, I feel if you learn one, you'll be able to do the second one. So this still goes for this, or should I change this to this? So whichever one you want for this, let's just say, okay, this is CI, this is CI, and this is going to be CII. That's C Roman figure 1, C Roman figure 2. So I'll be naming them. I hope we'll have more options for this. And the last one, permit me to look down. We have something similar. This is different from this. You can see this is halfway. So basically, if you learn this, you of course know how to do this. This can either sit like this. You can either sit this like this, or you go creative and make it like this. You can see how, oh my god, you can see how this is sitting. You can go creative and do something like this or something like this, you know, like a horn. So for you to do this, I'll be dropping the link down below. So for you to be able to, if you can be able to do this, of course you should be able to do this. So this is out of it. So basically, last one, but it seems these three are similar. So okay, since we have 3 designs of this teardrop, basically we should just name them according to it. So we can just choose, this is, I'm getting confused already. This is A, right? This is B. This is C. So be noting it, or you can be snapping it. This is, sorry, this is D. And I didn't mention, we sell modes too, we carve them. Basically we do that, actually we do that here, and if you want them, we can deliver to you. The prices are reasonable, but some people are saying it's on the high side compared to what they sell in the market in Nigeria, but I doubt it. Consider the features it exhibits, consider what it can give you, and then you now check the price. It's way low. So if you still want blocks, we can deliver to you, but there's no but. So if you want blocks, we can deliver to your location. It's not as high as the one we have outside. Those ones are really, you know, I give them thumbs up, but you know, we should work with what we have, and that is why we decided to create something similar. So I was saying that the big one is D. Let's take this as E. Can you see it? And this should be the F. So we have 5 options. If you two can give us the opportunity to do that, I think I've not seen five options, but I'll try it. So we have five options for us to vote for. So I mean six options. Sorry, I miscalculated. Six options. So basically, we'll be having six classes on how to block these fascinators. Hope it doesn't get bored, but I believe by the time you learn this, you should be able to do something similar to this. There's no big deal there. So, but you know, some people want to say, I want to learn. So basically, that is just it for now, and I'm happy that we are here and you're viewing me. And I would also want you guys, if this is your first time of clicking, thank you for clicking. Now I would want you guys to subscribe to this channel because there is still more to learn, you know. Aside from that, subscription is free. So just click on the subscription, the word left, I mean the word subscribe, that's the subscribe. Click on it, then click on the bell right beside it. And if you have been viewing this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please, you can also subscribe this time. Thank you. And aside from that, I wish you guys a happy weekend. And I also want you guys to reach out if you have any suggestions. Please comment down below. Yes, some people have been suggesting for us to do some certain fascinators, but I noted that if it's within our budget, we would actually do it. Some are still on the list coming. We will still be trying our best to upload what you want. Thank you guys, and thank you for your participation. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the likes, and thank you for the dislikes. I don't know why someone would just dislike this video. Why? You just tell me. If you have disliked the video, just come down at the comment down below and tell me the reason why you should dislike my tutorial videos. Am I letting some secrets out that you don't find comfortable with, or you don't just like me for some reasons? Just let me know and let me see if I can do something about it. But if it's not something I can do about it, sorry, you can go on and dislike, but give me a thumbs up for the truth, for the face of truth. Like you guys, I love you guys, and stay strong and healthy. Love you.